Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Perry. This is Matt Collins. This is part 2 of our 3-part series. This one is going to focus on the home inspection. So you've made your offer on your dream house. You're so excited, but now you do a home inspection. So I, as the lender, am actually a little bit hands-off in this process. So Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about what happens during this period?
Sure, absolutely. So we immediately, after the contract is accepted, we automatically go into our inspection period because we know that we love the house at the first walkthrough. We've probably seen the home for 20 or 30 minutes, but now we need somebody who is better qualified to go through the home from top to bottom. So they're really going to go through the inspections. They're going to make sure that everything is working right, that electrical system's up to speed, the HVAC system is working. They're going to make sure that everything is fully operational. One of the reasons why we kind of put Taylor on pause is because some things will change or have the ability to change during that contract. So for example, if we find that the air conditioner needs to be repaired and the seller says, I'm not going to make those repairs, but in lieu of, I will pay a portion of your closing cost, or we'll renegotiate the purchase price. Those are all really big details that Taylor needs to be made aware of. So we kind of hold off till after inspections to make sure that that's good. Because once we're through that, that's our big milestone in real estate, and that flags Taylor to go ahead and get back to work.
And let me ask you, typically that's pretty common. There's usually stuff that happens during inspections that you'll have some kind of change afterwards.
It can be very common. If you think about it from a seller's perspective, for whatever reason, they're done with the home. They're ready to move on. And so they don't want to invest a ton of time or money. Maybe they've already found their next home and they're in the process of buying. Yeah. So it's not uncommon at all for those types of big changes to be made in that inspection.
Perfect. Well, stay tuned for our part 3, which is going to be released. That'll talk about you've gotten now through the home inspection phase. Now there's 20-ish days to closing. What happens? What goes on during this time frame? Well, you're about to find out. Watch part 3.